From the former cylinder models to spherical-shaped Echo Show devices, and the more intriguing Alexa device that moves. Well, just a little bit, we present to you today the Amazon Echo Show. Let's jump right into the video to discuss what exactly you should expect from these devices. As you already know, the Echo Show is a smart speaker that is part of the Amazon Echo line of products designed around Amazon's virtual assistant Alexa. It was unveiled on May 9, 2017, and released in the US on June 28, 2017. The following are the top 5 Amazon Echo Show generation with the very best features in 2022. Let's begin by talking about the Echo Show 5 second generation. Echo Show 5 has a 5.5-inch screen and 6 inches by 3 footprints. It comes in glacier, white charcoal, and deep sea blue, giving its users options to pick from. Compared to its first version, the Echo Show 5 second generation got a fair upgrade in camera quality from its increase in megapixels. Talking about camera qualities, stay with us as we present to you the Echo Show generation with the best camera quality in a bit. The most noticeable difference between the Echo Show 5 and 8 is the size. Echo Show 8 is larger, boasting an 8-inch screen and an 8-inch by 4-inch foot post. We know you are already thinking about how suitable this will be for one-on-one video calls. While we appreciate Echo Show 8 first generation for giving us the MP camera, among other qualities, we cannot help but admire the revamped model that comes equipped with a 13 MP camera and also features auto-framing functions that automatically pan and zoom the camera to keep it in focus of the people in view of it. Fabulous! The improvements in video calls are also almost immediately noticed. The image is much sharper and with better color and detail. Though the display can be manually brightened or dimmed, 8 ambient light sensors also adjust the brightness and display temperature to suit its surroundings. The display has the same 1280 by 800 pixel resolution, but now it can adjust its color and white balance in the room. The new processor in the second-gen Echo Show 8 also makes the smart display respond quicker to taps and swipes than its predecessor. Next on, let's discuss Amazon's most intuitive bright display, the Echo Show 10. This particular device is more than just a speaker or a screen sitting on your desk. The motorized base allows for the device to be spun, so it faces you. All you need to do is to issue the command to Alexa. The Echo Show 10 also has a completely new design, different from the wedge-shaped models. This allows the Show to do 2 things the prior version couldn't: tilt its screen and spin around nearly 360 degrees. And oh, good news to the movie lovers as well. The Echo Show supports Netflix, so being able to position the screen just right is definitely advantageous.
It's movie time.
The 3-inch downward-facing woofer and 2 1-inch tweeters positioned just below the screen also ensure that whenever the screen is facing you, the speakers are as well. The intuitive display is the same 10.1-inch, 1280 by 800 touchscreen from the prior model. Now to the camera quality we've been talking about. In the upper right corner of the bezel, which is around the display, is a new 13-megapixel camera. This camera is a pivotal component for the Echo Show 10's ability to track your position and move itself accordingly. Amazon claims that it uses echolocation and computer vision to place your location and spin the screen around to face you even as you move throughout the room. All of this processing happens locally on the device, unlike voice commands you say to Alexa, which are primarily processed remotely on Amazon servers. Simply put, the Echo Show 10 third generation has the best front-facing camera of all Echo devices. And guess what? Amazon also thought through all the security implications that might come about as a result of a rotating camera and ensure that all processing is done locally on the device. Video calling never got better with the Amazon Echo Show, with this subject tracking working across group calling, Skype, and Zoom. With the new 3-speaker system, also, the Echo Show 10 possesses excellent sound. Show 10's third generation indeed saw the device's most radical transformation. Perhaps one other feature we are most thankful to Amazon for is the picture-in-picture support. Do you want to know which device makes this possible? Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll tell you about this in a bit. though currently there are more fantastic Echo Show devices with major upgrades. The Echo Show 5 first generation was a game changer when it was released in 2019 because it provided an ultra-affordable means of entry into the smart display market. Both the first and second generation allow you to control your compatible devices, check the news, display photos, etc. Let's talk about Echo Show 15 as well. This is the first Echo Show device to support full HD streaming on most major streaming devices and is currently the largest smart display on the market. At 15.6 inches on the diagonal, this super polished device can be mounted in both portrait and landscape mode thanks to its 1.4-inch photo frame, making it Amazon's best photo frame to date. Other incredible features include the built-in camera in the Echo Show 15 that alerts you when someone is watching through the camera. Although it does not necessarily act like a security camera, it makes it impossible for someone to check in on you without your knowledge. The picture-in-picture feature makes things all the better. You can monitor your child when browsing through your favorite recipes or watch your favorite shows even while your doorbell is being monitored. The Amazon Echo Show devices undoubtedly give us some of the very best experiences. Check out our other video on Amazon Echo Show Generations review. Everything you must know for more. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you some other time.